y'all, so we are going to do some systems of inequalities today that have either more than two lines that we're going inside, or circles, because almost everybody loves circles. So let's check this first one. It says x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. So what does that mean even? Like, what does that mean? That just means we're really just working in quadrant 1. So there might be some stuff happening outside of quadrant 1, but oops, this is where we're going to be working. So we only care about that part. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to graph these. So I think that I'm going to go with, we're going to go red here. And so you could solve it for y, or you could just say, to find the x-intercept, set y equal to 0. Okay, so that means if x is 0, then y is 4. So 0, 4, that's right here. And if y is 0, then x is 2. So that's right here. And then I decide, is that a solid line or a dotted line? It's a dotted line. And I'm just going to connect. So does it go further? Yes. And I can make it further, but really all I care about is that the part that's in the yellow. Okay, then it says it has to be less than that. So I'm going to check a point, 0, 0. Yeah, okay, so that's the place I want to go. So if I grab my highlighter, let's try. Ooh, so that's going to be anywhere. Oh, wow, that makes green. And then the last one, oof, that's not super pretty. So I think I'm going to solve that one for y. So let's see. So 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 3. So I'm going to subtract the 2x to the other side. And when I do that, I get negative 3y less than or equal to negative 2x plus 3. Okay, then I'm going to divide by negative 3, and I'm going to divide everything by negative 3. And when I do that, what happens to this? I get y is greater than or equal to, it flops over, and then negative 2/3 x minus 1. So negative 1 is my first spot, and then I go up to right 3. Okie dokie, up to right 3. So then I can, is that solid or dotted line? That one's going to be solid. To right 3. Okay, so there. So then what goes within that whole thing? Well, let's see. I'm just going to go here. So it's going to be in here. I think that cuts off just a tiny corner. And then don't forget that it's kind of a dotty line over here where the pink is. So that's dotty, but it's kind of that corner there with a slight corner cut off of the corner. Okay, how about this one? So this says x plus 1 squared plus y minus 1 all squared. So what that means is that I have my vertex at negative 1, positive 1. It's a circle. How do I know that? Because you know that because I just told you that whenever you have something squared plus something squared, that gives you a circle. And I also know that my radius equals 4. If you're like, what? Just look at it for a second. I know you can find that. So negative 1 up 1. And then I've got a radius of 4. So I'm going to see what my circle drawing tool will do. I start here. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my radius of 4. Now, I just drew it with this, and I've got that line. I wonder if I can't make that line. I don't want that. I want like this picture. Can I make that dotty? I can. Wow. It should be dotted because of this. And then it says that I'm going to color, where am I going to color? Inside. Okay, so I'm going to color inside of this circle. So that's not perfect, but you get the point. It's easier to color with an actual like colored pencil at home. Then my next one, let's see. Oh, look, this one has the center at the same place. But then this time my radius is 2. If you're like, why is it 2? Think for a second, like figure if you can figure out why. So it looks something like that. And this one says I'm going to go outside of that. So I could plug in 0, 0, like it's got to be bigger, so I think it's going to be outside. I could plug in 0, 0 to check. So 0 plus 1 is 1 squared, and 0 minus 1 is negative 1 squared. Well, that gives me 2, which is not greater than 4. So I was right. Then I'm going to color outside. And really what's happening is that's, you know, all the way outside of here and stuff. But what I care about is where the things overlap. So that is my green. There we go. Fun times.